You may not notice them, but enclosures are everywhere. You'll find them protecting electrical and automation equipment from any number of harsh conditions. You'll find them alongside the energy sources that power our industries and businesses. They are in factories, on trains, boats, planes, and even in space. With the most comprehensive offer in the enclosures market, Schneider Electric makes all these enclosures and more. But Schneider Electric's enclosures offer goes well beyond the standard catalogue.
We already have a quite wide range for standard products, but more and more customers are asking for specific solutions for their own needs.
Finding enclosures to fit very specific applications has been a major challenge for customers who at one time were forced to design and produce their own.
Every industry has its core business, and they cannot, let's say, waste time and resources doing things that they do not master.
On a global scale, Schneider Electric is filling that need for customers. Our co-engineering team will design an enclosure specifically for a customer's application, from the initial concept through to the last coat of paint. Then we'll build it, install it, and provide technical support throughout its lifetime.
What we provide to our customers, it's a full service in terms of customization. That means that provides them from technical support at the very beginning when they are, let's say, formulating their requirements, technical requirements, until the very end when they put the products into place and they run up the applications.
In Germany, GEA Farm Technologies makes automated milking machines for dairy farms. A customized enclosure from Schneider Electric was exactly what was needed for their MI1 automated milking machine.
The advantage of Schneider Electric's enclosures, particularly for our MI1 milking robot, was having the right dimensions which allowed the enclosure to integrate easily into our system. That was the major advantage of the enclosure we use today.
By working with Schneider Electric's co-engineering team, GEA was able to get the precise design they needed, as well as the technical support to apply the solution.
In the case of the MI1 milking robot, we needed engineering support. The biggest challenge was in the integration of the enclosure with the rest of the system, which required some very specific fastenings and drill holes. Schneider Electric's co-engineering team offered all the support we needed to solve the problem.
Adapting an enclosure for the MI1 milking machine also meant conducting thermal studies to ensure the equipment would work in suitable conditions. Every day, 80% of the panels that break down do so because of poor environmental control. Schneider Electric's thermal management solutions ensure that your equipment is in the 20% that is always working. Environmental control was vital for Hamworthy, a global leader in providing specialist equipment and services for the marine market. Hamworthy needed an enclosure which could withstand harsh sea conditions. Schneider Electric was able to deliver.
In the marine market, each component must provide protection against water, vibrations, high temperatures, smoke, and combustible gases such as hydrogen. This is a requirement for all our components.
The customer and the supplier, they are working together from the very beginning, setting technical specifications and setting technical requirements to develop a product that fits into the application.
Our systems are quite large and complex. We know that Schneider Electric has a very good enclosures offer. They work closely with our systems, so when we give them a description of our specific needs, they can provide the best enclosure.
Schneider Electric is the leading supplier of universal enclosures worldwide. No matter what your need or how specific your application, Schneider Electric will provide the most durable, reliable, and customizable enclosure on the market.